Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to get the latest trend effect called the tattoo filter on Instagram. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notification. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. The tattoo filter is going viral on Instagram, TikTok and Twitter right now. When applied, it makes you look like you've completely covered yourself in tattoos without actually being inked at all. So let me show you how to get it. Open your Instagram app. Now tap on the plus sign to post a story. Tap on story and enter in the Instagram camera screen. At the bottom, swipe all the way to the right until you see browse effect. Tap on it. Now in the search bar, search for Rampage. Tap on the first one that looks like this. Then press on try this effect, or you could just bookmark this effect. When you press try this effect, it'll return back to the camera screen and the effect will be active. As you can see, the filter makes you wear sunglasses and gives you a look where you're covered in tattoos. There are different modes available just above that, which you can play around with. So let's go through the modes. So the first one is with tattoos and sunglasses. The second one is only tattoos. The third one is just sunglasses. Fourth one is no effect. The fifth one is the same as the first one, but this is for the ladies as the eyelashes has been done. The sixth one is for the ladies again, tattoo and eyelashes. And the last one is with sunglasses and eyelashes done on the face. Using this effect, record your video and post it on TikTok, Instagram and Snapchat or Twitter. And there you go, that is how to get the latest trending filter called the tattoo filter on Instagram. My name is Karthik and you're watching The Simple Dad. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.